So, the Google Pixel 8 has been officially certified for QI wireless charging months before its anticipated release date, confirming no speed gains in wireless charging speeds over last year. The Wireless Power Consortium must first approve a product before it can advertise that it supports QI charging. The Bluetooth SIG, the US FCC, and other regulatory bodies are just a few of the many processes that must be taken before a new Pixel phone can be released. Google's Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro weren't listed on the WPC website until more than a week after their release in the previous year. Given that, the timing of today's news is made all the more intriguing. Particularly, the Pixel 8 is not expected to offer any noticeable improvements over the Pixel 7's wireless charging capabilities. The Pixel 8 will offer the same maximum QI charging rate of 12 watts according to the WPC. More crucially, it appears that the Pixel 8 will not support the recently announced QI2 standard based on the version of the QI standard that is specified. This update uses magnets to make sure your device is correctly aligned with the QI charging coils and is based on Apple's MagSafe ecosystem. Given that QI2 was only recently made public in January of this year, the likelihood that the Pixel 8 won't support it shouldn't come as a huge surprise. So, according to rumors, the Google Pixel Watch 2 will feature general improvements that will increase its uptime and functionality on a whole. The Pixel Watch 2 would use a chipset from Qualcomm's W5 lineup, according to 9 to 5 Google. The Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and the W5 Plus Gen 1 are the most recent Qualcomm W5 series processors for wearable technology. The next Google Pixel Watch 2 will also have a longer battery life, thanks to a modest capacity increase and adjustments to the watch's always-on display. For the current Pixel Watch, Google asserted a 24-hour uptime with AOD enabled. With AOD activated, the updated Pixel Watch 2 might last for 2 days between charges. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8 series and Pixel Watch 2? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.